3.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about the 8000 Wabash series. And again, you'll see down here at the bottom, and it's telling you that your series is the 8000, so you're going to start your SKU number with the number 8. This is different. This is different than the 5000 Marion. Here's the first thing that's different. Choose your seam. 5000 Marion is only a welt cord group. That's it. The 8000 Wabash, you're going to choose either number 1, a welt cord, or number 2, a top stitch. If we look very closely here, you'll see that this is a number 2 top stitch group. Okay? So if we follow this when we write this particular order, we're going to basically write an 8, a 2. If you look very closely at the arm style, that is actually a number 4 deco arm. So an 8, a 2, a 4, and it just so happens this has a semi-attached boxing back. Now, this is where you need to understand that on the 5000 and the 8000, both of those groups offer a semi-attached back. Both of those groups offer a loose pillow back. In the case of the 5000, the loose pillow back is available. It will have the welt cord. There is no other choice. In the case of the 8000, the Wabash, you've got a loose pillow boxing, okay? This is a boxed back cushion, okay? Just follow where I'm showing you here. But you can also get a loose pillow back knife edge. The knife edge is going to center that stitch right through the middle. You'll lose that and you'll lose the side. It will only have the one center stitch. That's an important feature that you only get on the Wabash, okay? On this particular series, you do not get that on the 5000 Marion. So again, to follow up, we did an 8, we did a 2, we did a 4, and we did a 1. An 8, 2, 4, 1, and that follows consistently throughout the entire group here. However, we've got an armless sofa parked right there in the middle, don't we? Okay, so let's write up that armless sofa. Here you go. It does have an inside back, right? So if we're going to write this up just the way you see it here, we're going to write an 8, 2, 0. It has no arm. 8, 2, 0 dash, or excuse me, 8, 2, 0, 1 dash. That's a 16, by the way. The 16 is an armless sofa. So 8, 2, 0, 1 is that armless sofa there. Keep that in mind when you're writing up ottomans, when you're writing up armless pieces. You want to replace that with a 0 where it's not needed. There is no arm on an armless sofa. And again, flip it over, circle the SKUs that she's buying. As you see here, we've got all of these different SKUs to choose from. One of the things that we should mention here, let me make sure that I look here very closely so that we talk about, let's see, it's on here somewhere, sock arms with excuse me. Check the back of this. It is going to tell you that as far as dimensions, some of those arms are a little bit smaller. The deco arm, the track arm are smaller. The sock arm, the panel arm are bigger, okay? So they will carry that dimension that you see here on the sheet. When you go to a narrower arm, they're going to tell you to subtract 2 inches per arm. It's on the sheet here. It's also in your catalog. So that is the 8000 series Wabash. And again, circle the pieces that she's going to buy so that she has a clear indication, there's no confusion. And then you can also very easily write up the group very clearly by what you have circled on these pages.